Real co-founder James Watt has announced his investment in Mous. Today, he's above us in a helicopter, about to drop a MacBook in a Mous backpack.
This is a Mous backpack. This is an Apple laptop. And this is goodbye.
Equity for Mous makers is back. And this time we've got a monstrous investor.
What I'm excited about with Mous, for me over the next 5 to 10 years, it's up for grabs. Who is going to be the world's leading tech accessories company? And you have got as good a chance as anyone at doing that.
So in the next 24 hours, we're going to film our crowdfunding video in Vegas. That was wishful thinking. We got carried away with James in the helicopter. So here we are, back in London. Since our last crowdfunding campaign, we've really gone after it.
Could we make a backpack that lived up to the Mous brand?
And could we make a motorbike ecosystem that worked?
And would Google want to work with such a young company?
We're on Google's roof and we're about to throw the new Google Pixel in a Mous case! We've launched made for Google certified cases, including Intralock. A mounting ecosystem receiving incredible reviews. And we've launched our first ever backpack and dropped it from an 8-story building. 3, 2, 1! We've hit the car! Oh, hit my car! There's plenty of opportunity to push things further. The global mobile phone accessory market is worth $228 billion. This is the start of Chapter 2 on our mission to become a household name in the industry. So here's the plan.
First up, phone case expansion. Not everyone wants a black or brown, highly protected phone case. Introducing Mous Super Thin, our thinnest phone case ever. This is a case for people that don't want a case. And Mous Collabs, where we collaborate with artists and our in-house design team to create a highly unique and varied range of cases, and eventually complete customization. So now, whoever you are and whatever your style, you can enjoy Mous-level performance and functionality.
2, wireless charging. Major manufacturers are rumoured to be removing the charging port on future phones, and we know a thing or two about wireless charging, developing 2 magnetic ecosystems before Apple had even launched MagSafe in their phones. We're launching our most advanced wireless charging modules ever, incorporating official Apple-certified technology, incorporating charging pad, station, and elevated Apple Watch charger, and much more to come.
We love ecosystems, so we decided to make another. It's designed with magnetic pins, so you can snap on and off different charging modules for ultimate flexibility. Due to our relentless drive and experience, we believe we can be one of the market leaders in wireless charging.
And next, backpack takeover. We launched our first ever backpack at the beginning of the year, and it's quickly becoming one of our best-selling products, with sales doubling from £10,000 per week in February to 20k per week in April. Our production was struggling to keep up demand, so we actually had to suppress sales to prioritise restocking. And that's just one backpack, one size, one colour at one price point. There's so much room to grow, with the plan to launch 4 new backpacks this year.
Over the next few years, we want to meet the needs of all consumers, athletes, commuters, travellers, photographers, and so much more. Our ambition is to scale backpacks faster than phone cases.
Did you see Apple Vision on Monday?
Yeah, it's pretty insane. I saw the...
It's way better than I expected.
It's going to be so good for planes and stuff like that.
Do you think we should talk about AR and VR and Apple Vision?
No, I think all the techies are going to know about that anyway, and everyone knows you can't fit it in your pocket. Let them figure it out.
All right, okay. And finally, our top secret category we're working on...
We'd love to tell you more about that category, but unfortunately it's top secret, so you have to watch this space.
In challenging economic times, businesses tend to cut product innovation. We don't want to slow down, we want to speed up.
Because we believe in our vision that everyone should live better with tech. Invest in our business today and not only get shares in our business, but receive exclusive discounts. And join our mission to become the household brand of tech accessories. Oh, look at that! We have pushed it too far, guys. What a stunt!